Greetings everyone from the beautiful Texas Hill Country. I am so excited to be here at Bluff River Resort because my folks, they used to come here many years ago, so you bet I am super pumped to see this beautiful bluff for myself. So here's to a day full of nostalgia and water adventure. Everyone, welcome to Chalk Bluff. Chalk Bluff considers itself a rustic river resort with a unique 200 to 300 foot bluff and a waterfront that stretches a mile long of the Nueces River. It is summertime in Texas. What a perfect time to be here at Chalk Bluff. My parents used to come here, my grandparents used to come here. What are the origins and the backstory of Chalk Bluff?
We found out that Chalk Bluff has actually been a campground since 1922.
Oh my goodness, wow.
2022 will be the 100-year anniversary of Chalk Bluff being a campground.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It is a staple here in the Texas Hill Country, but there's so much to do, the most popular being in the water. So let's break down all of the activities. What can people do in the water?
Well, they can sit their chairs in the water and just hang out, relax, enjoy the day. They can go tubing, they can bring kayaks, they can paddle boat. Lots and lots of people go fishing.
Yeah, awesome. And you have this beautiful scenic bluff right here as well.
Exactly.
I love it, I love it. Okay.
Our newest thing we just added is a safari. It's not in full swing yet, but we're gonna be doing a drive-through safari. We've got animal encounters going on with lemurs, monkeys, a giraffe. Super exciting.
And a giraffe, I love it. Here at Chalk Bluff, your stay can be as rustic as you want it to be.
So this is Austin.
Nice.
This is our largest cabin style. We have 6 of these. They have a downstairs bedroom with queen bed, an upstairs loft with 6 twins. So there's plenty of room for your whole family or your family and your best friend's family. There's pretty much have everything. You basically just have to bring your own blankets and your own pillows.
Okay.
Yeah.
Easy peasy and nice air conditioned.
Yes.
Save you from that Texas heat.
Exactly.
Awesome, awesome. From traditional camping to RV setups and loft cabins, there is over 150 campsites to choose from and plenty of space for the extended family.
This is our primitive tent camping. There's no water, there's no electricity, you're right by the river. Tons of gorgeous pecan trees, plenty of shade when you're ready for the shade, plenty of sun when you're ready to be in the river.
Yeah.
But we also have tons of campsites with water and electricity. This is my favorite spot. Nothing, quiet, and the river.
Yeah, I could see why. This is a little piece of paradise and a great way to social distance too.
Absolutely. So this is the very beginning of our safari. We are doing our animal encounters. We do a little bag of feed and we start with our ringtail lemurs.
Okay, awesome.
So all of your lemurs, there's like 105 lemur species. They're all native only to the island of Madagascar.
Wow.
And these are the ringtail lemurs. They form a family group that's called a conspiracy.
Wow.
That's Henry.
They have beautiful eyes. At Chalk Bluff River Resort, there are over 25 different species that roam the entire property.
So this little enclosure is actually home to hedgehogs, bunnies, and the rough lemur. So just don't step on the hay because hedgehogs, they're nocturnal and they're gonna be burrowing under there.
Oh my goodness. You can find a little bit of everything here, like your Texas favorites, the longhorn and deer, or get up close and personal with something a little more exotic, like a giraffe named Jericho. Hey Jericho, I'm Aerin. Nice to meet you. A fun fact, Jericho loves Julio's chips, but who doesn't? There's never a dull moment here at Chalk Bluff.
So all of our kangaroos that we have are red kangaroos. This one here is little Sophie. She's our youngest. She's already 9 months old. She's out of the pouch, ready to go, but she still likes a bottle.
Cute, she's closing her eyes because it's so good. I love all of this. So one of the best parts about Chalk Bluff is all the activities the family can enjoy, including jump pillows, hay rides, or taking a hike along the bluff. And all that's just above ground. Cool off in the water by jumping in by rope swing, kayak, float, or fish along the Nueces River. From the spacious cabins to crystal clear waters and wide open terrain of the Texas Hill Country, there is no better way to reconnect with nature than by camping out and enjoying the beauty of Chalk Bluff. So as you can see, there are many reasons why Chalk Bluff River Resort has been a Texas staple for so long. It has everything that you want in a watering hole, plus a safari with exotic animals. How cool is that? We had a blast here at Chalk Bluff. I can definitely say it's YOLO Texas approved. See y'all! To book your stay today, head on over to chalkbluffriverresort.com for open availability and park information.